get started with Edpuzzle, first log into your WASD dashboard and choose the Edpuzzle icon right here. The first time that you log into Edpuzzle, it may ask you to verify your school credentials. Search your school by typing the name, and once you've selected it, it'll ask you for your grade and what subject you teach. This will help you to connect with people in our school and on your grade level that have already created material. Now that we're logged into Edpuzzle and everything is connected, I can begin by looking for pre-made materials up here in the search bar. Let's search for negative numbers. You see, once I search, it brings up pre-made materials that other teachers have already created. Along with pre-made materials and things that I've created, Edpuzzle will also include a gradebook that will link to your Schoology classroom. I set a start date and a due date and assign new material. My classes should be generated through PowerSchools. If I need to create a group or anything like that, I can add a new class. Let's go back to content. Let's begin by adding some content. Here, when I select my content on the left, you can see videos that I've created. To add new content, we come over to the blue button at the top. Add content. From here, we can create a new video or upload an existing video. We could even create a student project to be reviewed later. I'm going to upload a video today. Once I've selected to upload a video, I'm going to choose the file that I want. Let's upload Introduction to Teams today. When I select the file, it begins uploading automatically. If we fast forward a little bit, I can go to My Videos and select the video that I've uploaded. Now that I have my video available to me, I have a couple options on the right-hand side. I can assign it to a class, duplicate it, edit it, or even delete it. Now I select the area that I want in the video and click Edit. From here, I can trim a video down, I could do a new voiceover, or I can add my questions. Now that I've selected that I want to add a question, I have three options to choose from. I can add a multiple choice, an open-ended, or a note to remind students of something later. I select the portion of the video that I want to put a question in, and then choose the type of question I want. For a multiple choice, the first box is for my question. The following boxes, I put the different answers that I want in. From here, I select which is correct and which is incorrect. I can even add more choices as I see fit. So let's add a third option in here. Once I have my three options and I know which one is correct and incorrect, I can even add feedback. If a student selects the correct one, I could tell them that it's right or why it's right. If they choose an incorrect one, I could give them immediate feedback as to why that might be wrong. When I'm done with my question, I click Save, and now I see a dot in the time bar representing the question as well as the question below. I select a new area of my video to input a question. Let's try an open-ended. From here, I put the information I'm looking for. Let's say, write 5 ways that you can use Teams in your day-to-day. When I click Save, I can see that that question has embedded itself right into my video, and now I sit back and wait for student responses. In another portion of the video, we'll add a note. This is a place where I can put something that's very important that I want students to pull out of the video, some very, very specific detail. There is also a microphone at the bottom that I can input my own voice or an audio note. I save that, and it also embeds in my video. Now that I've created my video, I'm ready to assign. It's in this place that I'll find all of the classes that I've created, and I can choose the start date and the due date for the assignment, or any period of time that I wish it to be open. There's also a toggle switch at the bottom here, which will prevent students from just skipping forward to the questions. They'll have to sit and watch all of the information before answering. Another option to share is through public links. Here's the part where I am going to choose my copy link from this section, and I can put it into somewhere, say, Teams. If I go under my posts and just put it in as I would any other conversation, you can see that it embeds itself right into my Teams where my students could access it. When they click it, it will load automatically. As soon as it loads, students are able to then go through the video and answer the questions. It's just that easy.